Hey everyone, today I will guide you through the best and easiest way to insert serial numbers in Microsoft Excel. Normally, people type the first number like 1, then drag the fill handle down to create a list. While this method works, it can actually take extra time and effort. Here's a quicker and more efficient method. First, type the number 1 into the first cell where you want the serial number to start. Next, go to the Home tab on the ribbon, click on Fill, then select Series from the drop-down menu. In the Series dialog box, choose columns or rows if needed, and set the step value to 1, and then set the stop value to the maximum serial number you want, and click OK to apply. And that's it. Excel will now automatically fill in the serial numbers from 1 to 100. As you can see, this method is fast, efficient, and saves time for large lists. This is one of the easiest and cleanest ways to insert serial numbers in Excel. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.